Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to repair the Imei for Nokia 4210 4G 2024 edition. We have here one sample which has the Imei damaged, as you can see. So the Imei one is damaged. So I'm going to repair it using a Furious Gold box and SPD service tool latest version. Let's start by selecting our model. We go to the diag mode and select our model. From the operations box, I'm going to choose Imei BT relock, and at the Imei, I'm going to paste the Imei value from the box or from the back sticker. We already have it here. Once we do this, I'm going to power off the device and press connect on the software. Now we simply attach the USB cable to the powered off device. We are informed that we are going to be charged one multi-purpose lock for this operation since it's not free. We are going to confirm it by pressing yes. So that's it. The Imei should be now repaired. Let's remove the USB cable. Let's reattach the battery and check. So as you can see, the Imei one got successfully repaired. So everything is okay. Thanks again for using our products. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Bye bye.